mainstream comeback, marking their first full group project in years. Sean Diddy Combs just faced a major legal showdown, and the verdict is mixed. A 10-week trial ended with guilty verdicts on 2 counts of transportation for prostitution, but he was cleared of the most serious charges, racketeering and sex trafficking. The judge denied bail, calling him a danger to the community ahead of his October 3rd sentencing. He could face up to 20 years, though experts expect 2 to 5. Combs still faces multiple civil suits and possible asset seizure. Let's have a deeper look into the verdict.
Music mogul Sean Diddy Combs has been denied bail by Judge Arun Subramanian, locking the hip-hop icon behind bars until sentencing. While Combs escaped conviction on the most serious federal charges, including sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy, a New York jury still found him guilty on 2 counts of transporting individuals for prostitution. Each count carries up to 10 years in federal prison, meaning the Bad Boy Records founder could still face a 2-decade sentence when he returns to court this October. As the verdict was read Wednesday, Combs smiled, clapped toward supporters, and briefly soaked in cheers, but the courtroom mood shifted sharply moments later. Judge Subramanian cited Combs' disregard for the rule of law and a propensity for violence in his decision to keep the rapper in custody, rejecting a $1 million bail proposal. The trial centered on explosive testimony from multiple women, including R&B singer Cassie Ventura and another identified only as Jane, who alleged a disturbing pattern of abuse. Both women claimed Combs ran drug-fueled sex parties dubbed freak-offs where they were coerced into sexual acts with other men, as Combs allegedly directed and filmed.
We're pleased that he's finally been held responsible for 2 federal crimes, something that he's never faced in his life. He still faces substantial jail time. Of course, we would have liked to have seen a conviction on the sex crimes in RICO, but we understand that beyond a reasonable doubt is a high standard, and we're just pleased that he still faces substantial jail time. All right, thank you. Well, each is faces up to 10 years on each. I'm not sure what the sentencing guidelines are given the various different things, but I'll leave that up to the government and to the defense to argue. But I feel confident in saying he still faces substantial incarceration.
Combs' legal team strongly denied the allegations, insisting the encounters were consensual and painting the accusers as money-motivated and out for revenge. Despite the acquittals on trafficking and conspiracy, federal prosecutors are pushing for significant prison time, calling for a full investigation before sentencing. Defense attorneys celebrated the split verdict as a win of all wins. But with the hip-hop titan now in custody and facing up to 20 years, the Diddy courtroom drama is far from over.
Now we have Thomas Porteous, he's correspondent at NewsX World, joining us live for this news. Thomas, what more can you tell us about the Sean Diddy situation?
Well, yes, Asuma, this case certainly has captured the entertainment world, one of the most high-profile cases in recent memory. The outcome as well unexpected, with Sean Diddy Combs being acquitted of the most serious crimes. However, his verdict and sentencing is yet to be unveiled. 10 years for each of his possible is the maximum outcome for his sentencing. Of course, this is going to impact his career. Sean Combs, his music career is going to severely impact his public image. He founded Bad Boy Records in 1993 and made his name as a successful solo artist and producer. It's certainly going to be difficult now for Combs to get any traction in regards to music. Affiliation with other artists is going to be difficult for him to class back, especially after being found guilty on the 2 counts that he is, and also which we haven't mentioned is that viral footage of Sean Combs throwing his former girlfriend Cassie Ventura, who is also involved in this case, in a hotel room, visibly assaulting her. As you said, Asuma, this case is far from over, and this sentencing is yet to happen, but We will bring you all updates in regard to that as soon as we get them and keep you posted.
Thank you, Thomas Porteous. You'll stay with